Hey, what's going on, y'all? So, why do I always do this? Let me draw a blank when I start recording, but, so I'm gonna show you what I'm doing to, pretty much put in a switch for the yaw sensor, kind of like to disable the yaw sensor. Oscar, his screen name off of my G37.com is, Bull. He made this kit where it's pretty much a very OEM looking switch. He does a lot of wiring stuff, so he's like a pro at this, so shout out to him for this. He's currently not making any more of these kits, but you can still wire in your own switch. This sensor here is the sensor that you would wire the switch to. You can see that there are 3 wires. If you want to wire in a switch, what you pretty much do is you take this green wire, cut it, put it in a switch in between it. So that's pretty much it. And then you can mount your switch anywhere you want, whether it's like, I don't know, I think like some people put it somewhere here or they put it on the side. I don't know, but that's all personal preference. I will be putting it on, you can't see it. So I took out the panel. There's a blank spot on there that I'm gonna put in, so I'll show you afterwards. Oscar's kit is super easy, only because it's a exact plug and play. If I can get this out. So this is kind of how the plug looks like. This Oscar has this already done, so just gotta figure out which way. It might be the other way. This way? Yep. I can put it in with one hand there, and this. Tab here, yeah. So connected. You don't really have to remove all of this to get to this switch, but I was gonna put back on my center console because I haven't found a black one yet, so I'm just gonna put this one back. And plus, I haven't swapped up my dash yet. So, just want to show you this switch for now and pretty much explain which wire you need to cut if you were to do it. All these other stuff are going to the center console, but that's pretty much it. And then I'm just gonna run this wire through. Actually, I should have ran the wire through the back, have it come out here. So yeah, let me go ahead and do that. All right, so that's my switch, and I have it pretty much routed through there. Comes through here, kind of follow this. Then I have it plugged up here, and then just kind of tucked in here for, like a semi OEM look-ish, All right, so I'm gonna put everything back together. Yep. I think that was really it. I just wanted to do a short video on this. All right, thanks guys. All right, so my previous switch wasn't working, so I had to order a new switch. This one came off of a vendor from eBay. I'm still using the wiring that I originally had bought. So as you can see, this means that traction control and VDC it's working, so that's why the lights are off. As soon as I hit the button, right, I'm gonna hit the button. So now VDC and traction control is off. With this, even if I turn it back on, the lights are going to be off. It requires one full key cycle for it to for the lights not to be on. So pretty much, I had the lights on for VDC and traction control. So when I restart the car again, those lights will go off.